Hello, good evening. Please let me know if you have joined me. I will not be on video today, please. Just say hi or type your name. If you're here with me, just type I. Philip Ayodeji, thanks for joining. David Jack, thanks for joining. The Elegant Woman, thanks for joining. Wow, it's so encouraging that you guys joined early today. Wow, I love that. Please, I won't be on video today. I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry. So let's jump down to our business. What we'll be talking on, we'll look at e-commerce websites. So I think this is the last class for the website training. So I encourage you guys to go back to the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. You can also tell your friends to watch the videos and also subscribe to the channel. We are looking at clocking 1,000 likes on this channel. Please share with your friends. Okay, I think I'm seeing 4 people here. Please, once you join, just say hi. Then we'll start. So if you have any challenge with any of the training so far, you can type on the comment section. We are going to do some little brush on it. If you have any challenge, let's talk about it. I'm here to answer your question. And if you want to join my mentorship platform, you can DM me to do that. And from after this class, I'll start issuing out certificates. So if you want our certificates, do let us know. Our company is registered. The journey begins is registered. So I'll share my screen now. We are talking about we want to build e-commerce website. So the least amount you charge for e-commerce website is within 150K, and you won't spend much building it. So there is cool cash in building e-commerce website, right? I did one for my wife recently, accessories.biz. So I won't be talking about the old design. I won't be talking about the beauty aspect of the old design. I will just focus more on the functionality, right? How to add your products. We can all do this. These are just normal designs, right? I will show us how to add products and little stuffs like that. Okay, so this is just the header. So let's be fast about the old stuff. So if you have any question, please do not forget to comment. Do not forget to comment. So right now, I want to quickly create a WordPress account. So agree, set up account. If you don't know how to use this, please go back to the video. I did a special video on this on how to set up your account and have a lifetime access by sharing your affiliate link. Okay, so this will only last for 2 days. So I'm going to install my theme first, appearance theme. Let's use Astra. Astra is down here, ASTRA, install. Then activate. Okay, now we have starter templates for Astra. If you want to build a quick website, you can install this starter templates to build a very quick website. But let's start from scratch. So let's go down to the plugins. Let me install some plugins that we will need for this training. Add new. I will need my first plugin, Elementor. Install. I will need essential add-ons for Elementor. Install. I will need premium add-ons for Elementor. Install. Remember, we are not using Elementor Pro. That is why I'm trying to install these add-ons. So I've not activated them yet. We are going to do the the bulk activation. So the last plugin I will need is a WooCommerce. Not actually the last plugin, but if we want to set up our payment gateway, we will need another plugin for that. So let me install. So the most one of the most important thing in setting up your e-commerce website is this WooCommerce. Without WooCommerce, there is no way people can add to carts, check out, and all that. So this WooCommerce is very, very important. Very, 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 very important. So I want to activate all these ones. I'll click on this, click on this, click on. I think I've activated my WooCommerce. Yes, I've done that. I've activated it. So I've highlighted this. Let me activate, apply. So right about now, I'm going to join with my phone so that I can view our comments. Okay, please just give me a second. Okay, so let's create our pages. Add new. Now, once you install WooCommerce, WooCommerce will automatically create some pages for you automatically. So let's just create the home, then publish. So once you install WooCommerce, let's go down to all pages. Let's see. WooCommerce will install the cart page. WooCommerce will create the cart page, your checkout page, my account in case you want to create the login and logout dashboard stuff. If you want to create advanced WooCommerce website like Jumia, where you create account and see all the goods you have purchased, then report policy, um, your shop. This shop now is where all your products will be. This particular part. So quickly, let's create a menu. I'm trying. We have done all this before, so I'm just trying to. So where will the menu be? Primary menu and off canvas. And in our last class, I showed us how to create a responsive website. You must also create a responsive website for your e-commerce site. So as you're creating, you create a responsive website. So let me add my home and my shop. Add. Those are the two important pages I want to add here. You can add more as much as possible. Under this part, we have home, we have the store, then we have contact us, right? So on that store, we have all products, men product and women products. So it all depends on how you want to sort out your product, right? Okay, so where are we? So the next thing we want to do is to quickly create our menu. We have created the menu. I think we should just start building, right? But before we start building, okay, let me save this. I'm trying to look for a very simple means for us to do this. So let me go down to my all pages. But before we go to all pages, before we start building our website to make it beautiful and all that, let's do the most important stuff. In case this class ends now, you should be able to grab the most important stuff when it comes to e-commerce, right? So when it comes to e-commerce, one of the things you need to look at is your products. We have all products here. We don't have for now. We don't have any product on our product list. If you go down to your shop should be empty. Now we don't have any products, right? Um, Under here we have old products, we have new products, we have products categories. Product have different categories. We have shoes, we have bags, different categories, men accessories, women accessories. So you can classify your categories into different means. So let me open Jumia. If you're in Nigeria, you should know Jumia and .ng, .com.ng. If you're not in Nigeria, you should also be able to use Jumia too. So all these are different products, right? They also have different categories. Where are they? So we have different categories here. The supermarkets, health, beauty. So different categories are here, right? So we are not building a complex e-commerce website like this. We're just doing a simple e-commerce website. So out of all this, the most important part is how to add your products, right? And we are also going to get some products from this site. So let's go with this. I want to add this as a product. Um, okay, so let me download the product. If I click on top, save image as. Okay, let me save on download. Please hope we are following. Okay, so let me copy the title, name of my bracelet. Please, this part is very important. Let's go down to add new product. The name of your product should be your product name. I paste it. Now you can give your product a short description if you want to, but let's leave that part. The next part is the price of the product. Now, this part we have regular price and sales price. If you take notes, this is the regular price. The regular price is 1,005, while the sales price is 920 naira. So let's copy the price. If you are giving discount, that is when you have to fill your sales price. So if you are not giving discounts, what you should just fill is your regular price. Now the sales price 920 naira, right? Now, currently, this price is showing as dollar. It's showing us dollar, but we don't need dollar. What we need is naira. For those that are not in Nigeria, you can also change your currency. Now, products short description can be here. You can add a full description if you want to. Um, Under this part, we have the product details. Now, each team, you can buy a premium theme for e-commerce. If you want to build a complex e-commerce website, I will advise you to buy a theme for that, right? So, so the next thing we need to add that is very important. We have added the name of the product. We have added the price of the product. We have added the description of the product. Then the next thing we need to add is product image. Now, this product image is very important. What is product image? This image is called a product image. And we have products category. So this part here is also the products category, something like this. So let me save this and use this one too as my product gallery, right? Okay. So product image. Let me select my products. I will bring in both. Just alight, hold down on Control key, click on this to alight both of them. So I want to upload both. We have so many people in class today. Everybody wants to learn e-commerce. That is nice. So my products category, I want to add a my product gallery. Sorry, I want to add product gallery. Just click on the first one, hold down on Control key, click on the second one, then add to gallery. Right now, which categories do you want to add? Which category do you want this product to fall into? You can add a category. Let's say men accessories. Right? Just click on add new. Add automatically. It will now mark that this is under this category. Now, the tags, you can add your tags. We all know the function of hashtags and all that. Now, these are the most important stuffs about there are more advanced settings here. You get there are more advanced settings, your attributes, advanced, and all that. So I'm not going to touch that for now. So once I publish, now let's go down to our website and see what we'll have on our site. We have not, sorry, let's quickly set our page to recognize this part as the home page. We all know how to do that. You come down to um, your settings, come down to reading, think reading. So this part, we want a static website, then home page. This is my home page. Then leave the post page alone. Save changes. Now let me refresh this man here. Now we have this one. So under our shop, do we have any products? Now we have one product under our shop page, right? Now, if I click on it, you can click on add to cart. Once you click on it, it will show you the full details of the product. Something like this. Are we getting it? Then this is the product gallery here. So this stuff is looking too big because you have not start setting up. You can add the numbers of products you want and click on add to cart. So I have not set the design our menu. Once we design our menu, we'll see the add to cart button here, right? So I want to install one more plugin. We have add to cart icon, but let me install a premium plugin. It's called Elementor Pro. For those that don't have Elementor Pro, if you need it, DM me. It's not for free though, but it's very cheap if you're getting it from me. So let me install a plugin. Please, you can build a complete e-commerce website without Elementor Pro. You can do that. But if you need a more functional website, then you have to use Elementor Pro, right? So let me upload my Elementor Pro here. I want to quickly do my header and my menu. I want to design the menu for us. Okay, this is it. Elementor Pro, open, install. Now I'm going to I'm going to delete that our shop page. Then we'll build a shop page from scratch. So let me go down to my pages and delete this shop page. Just click on trash. So let me create a new page, add new. You can name it as store. It's not compulsory you use this thing, shop. Now let me add it to my menu. So any new page you had, please don't forget to come down to appearance, come down to your menu to add it to your menu. Because if I refresh, if I go down to home, shop will be out of this man here. Shop is not there again. So let's add it. It's showing us that some menus, there are some invalid items. Please check or delete them. So let's delete this one here. Click on remove. Now let me add what I just store. Add. So save changes. Please hope you are following. If I refresh this man, we have store now. Now let me quickly create my menu. Um, let me create my menu. I'll come down to, please, if you don't have Elementor Pro, don't follow this step I want to use. Don't follow this step. You should follow what we did last on how to add header and footer with the header and footer Elementor header and footer this thing plugin. Joel, you're welcome. So close this. Let me build from scratch. I've not activated this, so let me quickly activate. Continue. Activate container. Come down to this part. Activate. Save changes. So once I've saved, I'll refresh this man here. Now, if you're using Elementor Pro, this is how the settings will be, right? So let's quickly do something. I want my logo. Okay, let me insert just two. Then this part I want to reduce to, let's say, 25. And this part should be around 75. So 25 plus 75 will give us 100. So make it 100. So this part here, the first part is where my logo will be, site logo, put it there. So I'll click, okay, this part is not clicking. So let me come down to my nav container. I want to align everything to middle, center, center. Sorry, now I want to plug my laptop. Laptop is showing low battery. So the next thing I want to do is to insert my menu, my nav menu. Please, this might not look fine. The design and all that might not look fine. So this nav menu, I want to align it to the left, something like to the right. I mean, something like this. Now look at this color. I don't like them. So style, I want to remove the pointer to 0. You can see that there's no more pointer. You can change your text color to something else if you want to. Then you can also work on your hover effect too. Your hover, the color of the hover, you can change to black, something like this. So the next thing I want to do is to add my cat icon. Just type cat, something like this. Now I want this. This comes with Elementor Pro. Why this comes with your EA, your essential add-ons Elementor that we install. So you can either use this. If you don't have Elementor Pro, you go with this. But since I have Elementor Pro, I want to use this. So just take it to the side. Is at this side. So I want to bring it to this last part. So from this side, click and drag, sorry, inside same container. I want to drag it up. Killing shell. Okay, I think something is wrong here. I've not changed the direction of my container. Just click on this, change the direction to, it's showing vertical. Let's change it to something like this, horizontal. Okay, so it's coming to start. Let's make it at the end part here. Hope we're all getting the jargons I'm doing. So this is my logo. I want to reduce the size of my logo, the width, right? So the total aspect of the total container, I want to reduce the width, something like this. So this is all for that. Publish, add condition, entire website, save changes. That is the whole jargons I need to do. So once I refresh, I will have a change stuff here. We have the logo, we have the store. If I click on store now, there's nothing on my store. Now I want to change this dollar sign to Naira. So how do we do that? Please follow. Um, I'll come down to my WooCommerce. Just go down to WooCommerce settings. There are so many settings you can do under this WooCommerce. Come down to your WooCommerce settings. You can fill in your address. Just fill in your address, your country. I think I'm from Nigeria, right? Nigeria, Lagos. Just go down to Lagos. Lagos, Nigeria. Sell to all countries. You can sell to a particular country. Now, this is where I'm coming to the currency. Now, inside here, type Naira. Nigerian Naira. This is what we want. So I want to save my changes. Once I refresh this man, you take note, this man here will change to Naira. Are we seeing it? Hope we are learning. So let me start doing the little adding of products. Let's add more products. We have added this. Let's go back. Let's see more products that we can add. So I will quickly add different products. For those I want to go into selling of men vintage. Please, if I'm using just men, please have mercy on me. It's not intentional. So please follow me. I'll go down to product. If you can add your products, everything else is just simple. So the title of my product, and put your short description of the product here. Then let me just download one or two of the images. Save image for the image gallery. This part's the main image. So all these are just pictures that you can download. So descriptions of the stuff, copy. Okay, so let me add the product descriptions here. So what do we need? The price of our product is 3,000. Why they say the regular price is 3,051 naira. So they're giving just 2% discount, which is something nice. The regular price is 3,051 naira. You can see that this part so have changed to naira. So the sales price is 3,000 naira. So you don't add comma, it's bringing out error. So don't put comma on your design. So let's say clothing. Okay. What else do I need to add? Don't forget your products, your image gallery, upload. So I will just add about four product, 3 to 4 products. So we can start our design. So this is the first image I want them to see. So let's go down to the products gallery. So I will have to click on this, then hold on my control key, click on this to highlight both. Please, if you have any question, you can also ask, please. So I think that is that for this. So just publish. So we have 2 products. Let me add the last product for today so we can quickly sort out other stuffs. Nivea Perfect, blah blah blah. So let's go down with flat TV. So right click, save. Jumia, I'm sorry that I'm using you guys' images, so please have mercy on me. Copy. So wow, this discount is much, so 52% discount. Interesting. Wow. So let's go down to add new product. You can also add new, click on here and this part to add new product. So let's me put in my select image, upload. Want to upload 2 images. Then my products gallery. Then categories, add new. So the price, the sales price and the regular price. Regular price is 92,000. Sales price is 44,000. So don't forget to remove your comma. So you can add your description if you want to. We don't have much time, so let's leave the description part alone. So let me go down to my pages and start building. Pages. Let's go down to our front page. Right click, open link in a new tab. So edit with Elementor. Please, I hope we are following. So we can add our, let's use this design. Let's just use simple design. This is 430. I want us to achieve more stuff. Let's use something simple. This, um, the height, the width. My test, what else do I need to write? On this part, I want to centralize everything. Center. Okay. So let me add my test. I think I showed us how to use slider images, right? How to do slider in our last class with smart this thing, a sliding product like this, something like this. So I think I showed us. So you can also play around that. Please, I don't know test. I don't have any test on my head. Please, just bear with me. My head is ringing blank. Button. So this button I can use shop now and just type store. So once they click shop now, it will take them to store, right? So this part I can add my image. So let me give it padding. I also explained much about this padding the last time. Let's say 80, 80. So the style, background. So this part, I'm just giving any color. Is all these parts you all know how to do your header and footer, right? Your hero page. Please, all these ones are not the most important stuff here. Can change your button color. You can also use your color picker to pick a particular color, right? Do we get that? That is the function of this color picker. You can, if you want to use this color over and over again, just click on this plus button to save the color. You can just type orange instead of just click on create to create it as a palette. So if you want to reuse it, just click on where you want to use this. Click on this custom color, scroll down to where you have saved it, orange. So something like this. But I don't need orange, I need white. So under this part, let's quickly add something. Um, my test, I can type inside here. Let's say, let me give it padding so that I can create much space here. Padding, top, let's say 80, sorry, or let's say 40. And the width of this man, I don't want it too wide. Come down to layout, reduce the width, right? So under here, let's type latest products. Now inside this man here, let me add a container. Now I want to add product inside this container, right? Under here, I'll type products. Now you can see EA, essential add-ons, EA, essential products grid. You can use any of these products grid. WooCommerce product carousel is a sliding product. You can use this. Archive products. So all those ones you can use it to import product into your WooCommerce. Those are the most important parts you can use. Let me type carousel and see what we have here. Okay, we have image carousel, WooCommerce carousel, slider, testimonial carousel. So let's go with the WooCommerce carousel. You can see the way this man is sliding. So let's do our little setup. So we have presets one, we have presets three, different setup. So you can show your title if you want to show title, blah blah blah. Show product rating, you can. Once you come on top, you see the details. Are we getting it? um, Image size 300 over 300 and 300 by 300. Image stretch, no, I don't want to stretch the image. um, so let's come down to the carousel settings. Visible products, okay, three products at a time. So let me save and see what we have on our website. So we have three stuffs here. Can see the way it's sliding. Once you come on top, you see the full details. If I add to cart now, if I click on cart, it will add to my cart automatically. You can see we have 44,350 on my cart, right? If I click on my cart, I can click view cart or checkout. Once I click on my checkout, these are all the jargons I will see here. So currently, I don't have any payment gateway, right? I don't have any payment gateway here. So let me go back to my home page. You can also cancel your cart. You can delete it. It will go back to 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have done the first aspects of the WooCommerce stuff. So you can see the way they designed their own stuff. You can do it this way too. Yeah, we have how many images? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also do that to display about 6 images in two different rows, right? You can create different sections for them. Your flash sale, the count time. This is a plugin, your timer plugin. You can use that. So what else? So what? Just think about a design. Think of a design and just walk around your design. So let's go over again. Let's reduce the width. Please hope you are following and hope this is becoming simpler and simpler and simpler and simpler and simpler. Please let's follow. You can add other stuffs here, men products, women products. You can just add just come up with a creative design. The most important thing is what I've showed you guys. This part here is the most important thing on how to add your product. So the next most important thing, so how your site will look like, I don't have a total sale on that. So all this part are just different designs. All they are different designs, right? This is a design, this is a design. Then I had to add about two products here. You can select the numbers of products you want to add. So let me quickly do something like this. I don't have this image. I don't have that image. So I can just put a simple design. It's not compulsory. Let's go down to free pick. I know Luakpo, you're welcome. So I want to download this particular image. Is the network slow? What is wrong? Let me refresh. So that's here. So if you can just think of any design I'm so sorry. The stuff logs me out. It's not your network. It's my network. Daniela and Daniel is my network. So where did you guys stop, please? Where did I stop? Please, I want us to talk. Where did I stop? I don't know why it's actually logged me out. Please, where did I stop? Joel, where did I stop? Olalaye, Olawewaju, it's not your network. It's from my hand. Anoluwapo, where did I stop? So that I can continue from there. Please, I want us to respond, please. Okay, I think I'm just going to continue from the store aspect. So I will delete this again and start from this part. This is my store. I want to add product to the store, right? So I'll type my products here. I use products grid. Before you use this product grid, you have to install essential add-ons for Elementor. But let me put in my, so under this part I added padding 40 at the top and 40 at the bottom. 40, 40. Then I reduce the width. Under layout, I reduce the width. Now I come down here to insert my products. Products grid. I was talking about now under this layout, I want grid, something like this. Now products count is showing about 4. Here is blank because we have just three products. So the more you add product, it will fill up automatically. Now we have different style. This is just the simple style. We have you can pick different style, different. We have different ones here. Preset 6. So let's go with the simple style. Now under product settings, how many products do you want to see on this page? I can say I want to see 30 products on this particular page. So once it gets to 30, it will start bringing out pagination where you have 1, 2, 3 at the down. You have to click on 2 to go to the next page, 3 to go to the next page, and all that. So what else do we need here? Your add to carts, load more. You can do all the settings yourself. All the settings. So let's go down to the styling. My style, you can align left, something like this, align middle. Your contents background, you can change the background of your content, something like this. But it's so weird. Let's just leave the content like this. What else under here? Your box, if you want to put box, but just keep your design simple. Let your design be as simple as possible. So color and typography, your product title, you can change the color. I think I copied one color out. You can change your color. Then the typography, you can change the size of your title. Let's say 18. Wow, 18 is big. Let's say 16. 16 is the normal size. Then the price color, if you want to change the price color, you can. Change your price color if you want to. Then the rating, this rating, you can to something else. I think that is just then the button. Let's work on our button. Okay, we have the back button color. Let's use our orange color. Then I think black will go for this. I'm not so good with color, please. So let's this badge now. This is what's referred to as badge, the sales badge. You can give it the sales badge color. There's something as simple as this. So the more you add images, the more you start getting different this thing. The more you add more products, it will fill up on this page. It will fill up. Now the next thing to set up is our payment gateway, right? Let's go down to our pages, our WooCommerce setup. Now under settings, come down to settings. We have done the major stuffs here. You can fill in your address if you want to, but all those stuffs are not very important. You can select your shop page. Our shop page is, what else do we need to add? Or you can just leave it that way. Payments. So let's go down to payments. Now for this payment, if you want to accept bank transfer, just click on it. Then click on um, just click on the bank transfer. So once you use direct, make your payment, you have to account the account name. Let's say Peter Felix account number, the bank, GT Bank. Those are just the stuff you need to add if you want to accept direct bank transfer. Now, if I do my direct bank transfer, let's go down to our home. If I had this to cart, checkout. Have I saved it? I'm not sure if I saved. It's not showing anything here. I'm not sure if I saved it. Okay, save changes. I didn't save it. So let me refresh. This one's supposed to. Okay, I think it's active. Okay, make your payments directly into our bank. Please place your order ID as payment reference, blah blah blah. So once you fill all this, it's to bring out the I don't have power to start filling all these stuffs. So place order. You can see now it's bringing out the account details to pay into. This is the account details to pay into. This is for direct bank transfer, right? Now, once you place your order, how will you know if a client have placed order? Now, this is where you will get that. Under your WooCommerce, sorry, under your WooCommerce, just come down to orders. You can see now we have one order here. It's on hold. So once the client pay, you have to um, change your status to on hold, change your status to complete. So once they have complete payment, you just have to click on it. So this is the customer details. All the details of the customer. You can call the customer to tell the customer, oh, I've not seen your this thing, I've not. So this is just your dashboard on where you see the list of clients that have paid and all that. So what if you want to go through other routes? You don't want to use direct stuff. Now you have to open. There are two accounts you can open in Nigeria. PayPal is not working in Nigeria. You can use your Paystack or Flutterwave, right? Paystack or Flutterwave. Now let's go down to Paystack. If you don't have a Paystack account, you have to create one. Now to get that done, come down to your settings. I'm not supposed to use this account for that. So you have to come down to API key. Once you click on your API key, but before you do that, you have to install a plugin called let's go down to our dashboard. I don't want to open this because this is a client stuff and it's a secret this thing, please. You have to bear with me. So let's install the last plugin. Come down to plugins, add new. Let's click on the paste tag. Now paste tag WooCommerce payment gateway. This is what we need. Install. Then activate. Right? So I'll come down to my settings, go to payment. Let's take note of what will happen. Now we can see now paste tag is now active here. It was not here before. Paste tag is now active at the some part. So you can activate it. Click on paste tag. Then this is what you need to copy. Your test key, you copy your test key and your test public key. This is, you have to copy the two here. You have to copy it from under your API keys and webhook. I don't want to click this, so it won't go public. So once you click on that, you paste them. You have to create it and paste them here. Once you paste them here, you say, okay, autocomplete order, remove, cancel, blah, blah, blah. All those settings are not very important, but those two keys, you need to put them. Enable payment via safeguard, once you are done that, just click on save changes. So that is just a short way of using your paste tag. Please, test mode is still enabled. Click here to disable it. So that is just that way of enabling your stuff. Now, I want to build a very quick e-commerce website. So let me install my starter template. Let me install my starter template. So I want to reset all the things we have done. I want to reset them. So, plugins, add new, WP reset. So I want to build a quick WP reset. Install. I want to reset the whole website and activate. So under tools, click on WP reset, click out. Just type in reset, reset site, reset. Now on my site, there's nothing on this site again. It has gone back to the normal default stuff. Let me close all this. Now under plugin, I want to install something. Add new plugin. Starter template. So before I install starter template, let me activate the theme I have. Astra theme, activate. So once you activate Astra theme, starter template is here. Click on get started. I need a quick WooCommerce website. Then once you do it this way, you can start editing. If you are not so good with designs, you can just follow this route. So build your website now. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, so we are using Elementor Page Builder. Click on Elementor. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please and please. So this is a WooCommerce website, but this template is a premium template. So let's look for a free template that can give us what we want. So this is organic store. So it's also a WooCommerce stuff and it's free. So click on it, skip and continue, scroll down, continue, skip and continue, type in your name. Elegant ladies, Paystack is a plugin. If you want to set your payment gateway, you have to install Paystack plugin. Paystack for WooCommerce. I installed that. So once you install Paystack for WooCommerce, you are good to go. You don't need Elementor Pro to get Paystack for WooCommerce. In short, it's not in Elementor Pro. Now, this is our new website. We have something like this now. So we are good to go. You can see the way that did their design. Very simple designs. Then you can start editing. Money back guarantee, free shipping, certified, blah, blah, blah. You can, if you like this, just click on it. This is what we did so far. Now, if I want to change from dollar to naira, you all know what I would do. Let me go back to my dashboard. I want to change from that dollar to naira. So I'll click on settings. Okay, not payment, settings. Come down, straight down. Naira, save changes. Now, once I refresh this, all this money will change to naira. You can see it converted to naira automatically. 35 naira. You can edit your product also. If I click on groceries, bring out groceries. If I click on everything, all these parts, they are just your search icon here. You can search on any product here. You can see what I was talking about. So here now they added about how many 9 images on this page, 9 images to show. So once you click on next, it will bring us more images. So in total they have about 10 images here, right? So you can work on this, everything on your store. Something as simple as this. So your images, you have to look at the images you're uploading. So add to carts, this will change. Checkout. Sorry, it seems there are no available. So any stuff you want to use, you can use it here. Then you can now place your order. So this is just a simple way of building a complete e-commerce website. So do you have any question? So once in a while, if you have anything disturbing you, any question, you can ask me. I'm here for you guys. If you are confused about anything, I'm here for you guys. If you want to join my mentorship platform, I'm also here for you guys. Okay, so if you have any question, please ask. And I'm also going to, if you need a certificate, just DM me. We'll talk about it. If you need any certificates, let me know. Okay, space stack on an Elementor, no. On Elementor Pro, no. You have to install a Paystack plugin. paste tag for, just go down to plugin, type paste tag. You see paste tag for WooCommerce. You have to go over this video over and over again. So, so from next week we'll start our projects. I'll just give us a simple project for us to do. So we'll take about 5 days to finish the project within Monday to Friday. Friday is the deadline for our project. So I will share the project with us before Monday. Before Monday, I will share our project with us. So if you have any question, please let's ask before I zoom off. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please help my destiny. Subscribe. Okay, how can we set a site on coming soon? There's a plugin for that. There's a plugin. But the best way to do it, you can also design a graphics and just type coming soon, right? And you can also put a countdown store for it. You can put a countdown store. Um, I did it recently for a client. So let me share my screen and tell you how to there are so many ways. I teach this over and over again. There are so many ways you can learn, right? So let me show you guys how to learn, how to get new stuffs on your own, right? In case I'm not here, how will you get new stuff? So just go down to YouTube. Once you come down to YouTube, what do I need to search for? What topic do I need? So what question did you ask now? Um, Let me recheck your question. How to set a site on coming soon. So just on your what search this thing, just type a WordPress coming soon page or WordPress coming soon page without plugin. One WordPress coming soon page plugin. This is what I used earlier on. There'll be a countdown. So we have something like this under construction, something like this coming soon. So what you just need to do is less than 5 minutes. You should learn this. Less than 5 minutes. You should. There are so many tutorials in respect to that. So it's not compulsory. I teach it here. Go down to different store. There are so many things. How to set up maintenance or coming soon with a free plugin, Elementor, right? There are so many ways you can do it. You can also design it from scratch yourself. You can design it from scratch. So many ways. Look at this one now. So many ways. So many ways. Hope I've answered your question. So this is how to learn. This is how to learn. So any other question, please? Elegant man, hope I've answered your question. Okay, lovely. So do you have any other question? Please, if you have any question, you can just type so that we can talk. Please, let's ask question, yo. You can go ahead, ask, elegant man. Elegant man, do you still want to ask? I'm waiting for you. Okay, how do you transfer a finished project from TestWP to a main domain? Okay, once you design your site with TestWP, I want to transfer to, you have to buy your domain name and a hosting space, right? Now you want to migrate. It's called website migration. You want to migrate this particular website from this site to a different website. Now let's quickly do that, right? Um, Let me share my screen. So we are doing website migration now. I also have a premium plugin for that that can contain about 10 gig. I migrate clients' websites over and over again. So so this is what we'll do. Come down to plugins, add new. I think this is one of the most simplest way to do that. So just type WP migration. So to bring out all-in-one WP migration. So this is what you need, all-in-one WP migration. So you install, then activate. Please, you must remember your password. Let me quickly change this password, because if you don't remember your password, there is no way you can access. You have to remember your password. So let's generate a new password. So let's training at 2023. Then the username, we all know, I think the username is admin. Okay, the username is admin. So once we have done that, just come down to all-in-one WP migration, click on backup. You have to back up the site, then download. Please, if the size is so much, I won't be able to do that. I have other work to do with data. Wow, 238 megabyte is much. Before we download and we start uploading is a big stuff. So you have to download it. So once you download, it will show you this file format. Let me show you what it will bring out. I think I have a client. So this is what it will show you, this particular file stuff. So once you have done that, you have to come down to your new WordPress dashboard. So once you come down to your new WordPress dashboard, all you just need to do is to reinstall this plugin, all-in-one WP migration. Once you create your WordPress dashboard in your new site, just install this plugin, right? Once you install, click on import, then import from file. It will now take you to where you have downloaded the stuff. Click on it, then open. Now it's saying that you have, because we are using free this thing, the highest you can upload is 60 megabytes. But I did a video on how to increase your this thing. If it's showing 60 megabytes or 100 megabyte or 250 megabyte, there's a way you can increase it to 1 gig, right? I did a video concerning that on how to increase your so I'm going to share the tutorial with us. Well, you go down to my YouTube channel. Let me see if I can get that. Sorry. Okay, increase WordPress maximum this thing. Easily boost your WordPress file size limit. I think the video is less than 2 minutes. So in less than 2 minutes, you should be able to boost your WordPress size this thing limit. So that is that for that. You can also search WP all in one WP migration. WP migration. So you can use this only one WP migration tutorial. This is less than 5 minutes. You can learn that. Hope I've answered your question. Do you have any other question? Do we have any other question, please, before we say bye? Do you have any question? Okay. So I think that is all for this class. So if you need your certificate, DM me. Certificate is not free. So you let me know if you need a certificate. So once you have your certificate, you can brag on, you can post it on LinkedIn, your social media platform. You don't know who will be looking for your service and all that. So if you want to join my mentorship platform, you can also do that. The cohort 3 of this training will start very soon. If you want to reapply, you can still do that to learn new stuff. There's some stuff I taught in this cohort that I didn't teach in our last cohort, so you can still reapply again. So I think that is all for now. So everyone, bye.